Hey guys, welcome back to Shade Review. In today's video, we are doing a size comparison between the standard and large Ray-Ban Original Wayfarer folding sunglasses. So first off, the pair here to my left is the standard size, which has 50mm lenses and a 22mm bridge. And the pair over here to my right is the larger size, which has 54mm lenses and a 20mm bridge. So first off, let's go ahead and pop on the smaller size, which is the standard size, and see how these sunglasses look on face. And here we can see the sunglasses look very good on face. I really do like the styling of these sunglasses. They definitely are styled a little bit different than the classic non-folding original Ray-Ban Wayfarer with their more slimmed down temples. They don't have those raised Ray-Ban logos, and they just look a little bit more curvier than the original Ray-Ban Wayfarer. I really do like the styling of these sunglasses. Now let's go ahead and pop on the large size of these sunglasses. So these have, again, 54mm lenses. So let's go ahead and see what these look like on face. And here we can see that these sunglasses also look really good on the face. Again, these are going to be a little bit more curved, a little bit more smooth than the classic original Ray-Ban Wayfarer. And this large size also offers a really good look to them. I absolutely love the styling of both these two sunglasses. The 54mm lens size is definitely a lot bigger than the 50mm lens size, but I still absolutely love the larger look of these lenses on my face. They just offer that more oversized styling to them that I think look really, really good. Now again, the styling of the folding Ray-Ban Wayfarer is definitely different than the traditional Ray-Ban Wayfarer. So here again, we have the standard 50mm folding Ray-Ban Wayfarer sunglasses, and I also actually have a pair of the standard non-folding Ray-Ban Wayfarer sunglasses. So here is a quick look at what the folding sunglasses look like. And now let me go ahead and pop on the non-folding sunglasses. And here we can see it's almost like a different pair of sunglasses. Like I said, the original Ray-Ban Wayfarer non-folding version is going to have much sharper corners here on the edges. And I think they also have a greater tilt in towards the cheek than the folding sunglasses. So these are the standard size with 50mm lenses of the original. Now let me go ahead and pop on the large size of the folding. And then I'll pop on the large size of the regular to give you guys a good contrast of the difference between those two frames as well. So again, here is the folding large 54mm sunglasses. And now let's go ahead and pop on the large non-folding. And here again, we can see these are definitely a lot bulkier. Even though they have the exact same lens size, they seem a lot bulkier with these more sharp corners on the edges of the frames. And honestly, I don't like the look of these sunglasses too much on my face. I think they look too oversized in comparison to the large 54mm folding sunglasses. So definitely a video that I wanted to make to show you guys that there are a lot of differences between these sunglasses. Oh, another thing I wanted to mention is both the sunglasses share the exact same case. So the smaller sunglasses don't have a smaller case. So there isn't really a benefit to having the smaller sunglasses over the larger one. So here, if the original Wayfarer folded up, we can easily pop that into the case. And now let's go ahead and do that on the smaller size as well, just for the fun of it. And this protective case does a really good job of protecting the sunglasses, and you can actually pop these in your pocket if your jeans are big enough, and you can also actually pop this in your top pocket of a dress shirt or something like that, and it's going to really help protect the lenses from scratching. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give me a big thumbs up down below, and of course make sure to subscribe button, and then you'll be notified every single time I upload a brand new video just like this one to my YouTube channel. Again, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one.